To access your Bank of Baroda e-statement, follow this step-by-step guide. First, visit the official Bank of Baroda website and click on the Internet Banking option. If you are not already registered, you will need to register for Internet banking by filling out the registration form and submitting the required documents. Once you have registered, log into your account using your user ID and password. After logging in, click on the Accounts tab and select the account for which you want to view the e-statement. You will then be directed to a page where you can select the statement period and choose the format in which you want to view the statement. You can choose to view your statement online or download it in PDF format. To view your statement online, simply click on the View Statement button. To download your statement, select the PDF format and click on the Download button. Your statement will be saved to your computer and you can view it at any time. It is a good idea to check your e-statement regularly to keep track of your transactions and ensure that your account is secure. You should also verify the transactions listed on your statement to ensure that they are accurate and authorized. If you notice any discrepancies or suspicious transactions, you should contact the bank immediately. In addition to viewing your e-statement, you can also use the Internet banking facility to pay bills, transfer funds, and check your account balance. The Bank of Baroda e-statement facility is a convenient and secure way to manage your account and stay on top of your finances. By following these steps, you can easily access and manage your e-statement and take advantage of the many benefits that Internet banking has to offer.